Hi, I'm Sonia. I'm a customer support representative. I was using Airtable and now I'm using Google Sheets. For more reviews like this, click the link below. So I feel that these programs help solve most of my organizational issues at work. I have trouble categorizing certain things, and both these programs help to organize my life. Google Sheets is best for color coordinating different categories and also being able to identify those categories easily. Airtable is great for organizing info and creating categories within other categories and being able to easily identify that category in comparison to others. To get started with each of these softwares, I felt like Google Sheets was a lot easier and more user-friendly when beginning. Or in comparison, Airtable was a little bit more complex and more detailed when there was the initial startup. When looking for these softwares, I'm looking for something that is user-friendly, organizes my details easily, and then also is aesthetically pleasing.